Good morning, everybody. Today is April 14th. We're on Daily Decision Making, slide 14. I hope everybody's having a great day. I'm going to read the directions and then the information for today's Daily Decision Making. Sally is always nice to others, even when they are mean to her. She always talks in a nice voice and is calm. When someone calls her a mean name, she ignores the bully. She always does what her teachers tell her to do. You're going to circle the good social skills Sally uses. So, nice to others, yells, follows directions, angry, doesn't throw things or throws things. Make sure you log in to your daily decision making and answer the questions. Have a great day.